I want you to sit with this for a second. When was the last time someone truly apologized to you, looked you in the eye and said, "I got that wrong, and I'm sorry"? Now, when was the last time you did that for your kid? That massive gap between how rarely you receive it and how naturally you give it is one of the most psychologically loaded spaces in your entire life. The details and the pain. When you apologize to your child, their nervous system registers it as normal. They have no frame of reference for the alternative. But you do. You grew up inside it. The door that stayed closed. The dinner table that resumed as if the argument never happened. You got so good at moving on. It started to feel like a personality trait. But here is what was actually happening. The repairs that were owed to you never came. They became orphaned apologies. They didn't expire. They just accumulated, waiting quietly inside you. The science, co-regulation. So, when you get down to your child's level and say the words, something profound happens. Research on co-regulation shows the apology doesn't just land in their mind, it lands in their body. Their sense of safety recalibrates. But here is the secret. Your nervous system is in that moment, too. You are feeling it before you can even name it. Because something inside you has been waiting decades for exactly this. Not for you to give it, but for someone to give it to you. The climax and resolution. That heavy weight you feel in your chest after you've done everything right? That is the retroactive grief loop. Grief and repair happening in the exact same breath. You are grieving the unaddressable loss of what your parents couldn't give you, while being living proof that it exists. You are the first person in your family's line to send that message backward. Not in a grand gesture, but on a random Tuesday, in 4 minutes your child won't consciously remember. But their nervous system will never forget. That's not a small thing. That is everything.